How to delete duplicate photos on iPhone. So starting on iOS 16, iPhone can now identify duplicate photos. So go open your photos, click on album, and then scroll down to the very bottom and tap on duplicates. Photos will notify you if there are no duplicates or if they need more time in analyzing your albums. But in here, you can tap on select and you can either manually select photos you want to merge or just click on select all here on the top left. Tap merge. You can choose if you will merge only photos that are exactly the same or all photos that look the same even if they have different resolution, file format, and other slight differences. Tap merge items to confirm. Photos will then merge duplicates into one photo with the highest quality while combining relevant data like captions, keywords, and favorite. Duplicates that are removed will be transferred to recently deleted. So that is how you delete duplicate photos on iPhone. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.